Hey guys, today I want to be showing you how you can configure your website email or any other email from any other domain into Outlook or Gmail so that you can receive your messages straight into your phone or PC. In this tutorial, we are going to be taking you through all the configurations and everything required in order to set up your email, whether it's an Outlook app or Gmail app. You can easily have this done and have your email received straight into your phone without having to go to the email provider domain to check your mails online. It's just like normal Gmail messages, like you do receive them. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, I will be going into my website host. I'll be going into my website host because the configuration will be requiring to configure our Outlook is here. So just follow the instructions and you have it set up in no time. And we'll also be doing a live testing so that you see it works. So right now I am in my email domain account. Like as you can see, that is my email, that's my website email address. So I will be going to the official website link so that I can log in into my email. So like as you can see, I'm inside my email. So let me show, in case you didn't get what I was saying, what I want to do is have those email received directly in my phone or my laptop without me having to come online to log into my account. So that's what this video is all about. So here are the configuration for you to enable you configure any email app like Outlook, Gmail, so you can get your email straight to your phone or laptop. And like you can see, those are the configurations we need in order to have this done. So we'll be requiring the incoming server configuration and the outgoing server configuration. So now I'll be opening the email Outlook application. So here I want to add another account to my Outlook, which is my website email address account. So now you click on manage account and So and you click on insert email account. So here is where we input all the configuration. So we have to copy you have to input or copy your email address and input it here. Then your user's name, unlike for me, it's admin. So here you have to input your email address password which you use to access your email box. So you go to the next one, which is name, and you can put any name there. But for me, I'll be putting my website name. The the changes doesn't really matter. What really matters is the email, the password, the incoming server configurations, and the outgoing server configurations. You can just input any other thing in the other box that due to your preference. So like you can see there, you have to select which of them, whether it's POP3 or IMAP4. They are both the same thing. It depends on the one that you wish to use. They are all both incoming server. So incoming server means the server which retrieve the email being sent to you, and the outgoing server means the server which sent your mails out when you sent an email to another person or another email address. So please pay attention to the configurations. Like I said, it doesn't really matter which of them you use because they are both incoming server configuration. So it depends on which one you love to use. It might be different from other email hosts, but they are normally the same. For some mailbox application, they might require you to enter the port. So the ports are also provided in the configuration. So right now, like you can see, we have successfully added a new email account to our Outlook. So we have to test it out to see if it really works or does the job we want it to do. want it to do. So first, I'm going to be sending an email from my Gmail account to my website email account or address. So I will be sending a test email to see if I will be able to receive this email in my website email address. I'm sorry guys, I'm supposed to automatically receive this email, but I have to turn on focus mode on my PC, so kind of just block any notification that is coming in. Like you can see, I've synchronized my email address, my website email address, on the message I just sent from my Gmail just arrived. So I'm going to be sending back a reply to see if I will be able to receive the reply in my Gmail from my website email. So now I have to switch to my Gmail, and then I have to refresh. So like you see, I just received the response in my Gmail. So this is how you configure your Gmail, your website email to your Gmail application, Outlook, and any other email box out there. So like I said just now, I have to manually synchronize it because my PC is on focus mode. So auto synchronize is kind of disabled when in focus mode to avoid distractions and unnecessary notifications. So anyway guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to the channel. Show us some love by clicking on that like button, because more wonderful tutorials will always come your way. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section. And this video is brought to you by Corporate Tech GB in cooperation with legendkings.com.